If you suffer chronic back, hip or pelvic pain, there's a good chance it might be originating from where you least expect. Now today we have a physiotherapist here, Jason Smith. He's from Back in Motion to show us how our feet and the way we walk, it can have a dramatic effect on other parts of our body. Hi Jason.
Hi Pat. Look, the feet is like the foundation of the house, and so it supports all the weight above them.
Right.
And small changes or small problems in the feet can cause a different walking pattern.
Right.
And that can actually create all sorts of chain reactions up the body. And that might happen from an injury or it could develop over time.
Yep.
But the result could be some localised pain in the foot or ankle. It could actually come into heel pain. You might get bunions or hammer toe. Sometimes even knee, hip, low back or neck pain.
All right, how can we be sure that that is the cause of our pain?
Right, so expert physiotherapists at Back in Motion
Yes.
can use a number of manual assessment techniques, and clinical techniques to actually assess that.
Yep.
And for more complex cases, we can use some sophisticated gait technology.
Right, and that's what you're going to do today, do a gait analysis for us.
That's exactly right. We've got Nathan here, one of the senior physiotherapists at Back in Motion, and he thinks some of my chronic pain could be coming from my feet, and he'll show us how we do one of these scans.
Okay, over to you.
Okay, Jason, what I want you to do is walk over the plate, nice and naturally, like it's not there.
There you are.
And as you can see, just a simple step across the plate actually generates a map of the foot pressures, and it also, the time sequences help us get some understanding of the dysfunction of the foot posture. An in-depth clinical report allows the physio to assess that properly, talk about it with the client, and of course develop a treatment plan to get great results.
Now we've just seen you do the assessment there, so tell us about your results. Do they look good?
Well, fortunately, my scans aren't too bad, but we do have the case on the screen there of a client who has severe back pain caused by their feet. And on the left, you can actually see that there's some hot spots and change in shape.
We can see that now.
When contrasted to a good example of a normal walking pattern on the other side.
Okay.
Now, in this case, we'd probably recommend some custom orthotics that would particularly help reshape the foot and give people some good walking pattern, and we get fantastic results with that.
All right then, so for our viewers here at the Circle, how can they get their free assessment?
So viewers can attend any one of our 50 locations around Australia and get their free physio assessment with a professional at Back in Motion. The services are also backed by a money-back guarantee, so that if you're not absolutely thrilled with the experience, we'll refund the money and give you the next session free.
Very good.
To get the result.
All right then, and a special offer for our Circle viewers too, don't forget that.
That's right, so any viewers who call today and mention the Circle, they'll not only get that free initial assessment valued at $72, they'll also get 50% off their next physio treatment.
That number for us please?
1300 My Health, that's 1300 694 325, or go online to backinmotion.com.au for your nearest location.
Jason, thank you for coming in.